Welcome back. In our previous lessons, we discussed, is this a linear or exponential relationship by looking at its form? Y equals mx plus b, linear. Y equals a times b to the x power, exponential. We also look at the table, see if we can find constant difference from the y values that matches the x values. And see if we can find the constant ratio. Now today, we're going to look at the graph. The number of shrimps in Gump's pond triples each day. I'm going to highlight the word triples because it tells me there is a constant ratio. Remember the rule we just discussed and also in the previous video, if we found a constant ratio, then we can determine the relationship is exponential. Now ask us which one best represents the relationship between time and number of shrimps. Exponential graph is not linear, it's curved. So by this rule, we can easily find C is our best choice. Also, we can go ahead and examine A. A does not reflect, it triples each day. A did not change. For example, if I say this is 0, this is 1, 2, 3. A tells us Y is 3. As days goes by, it's forever 3. Let's look at a B. B is linear. Remember, if it's exponential relationship, it has to be a curve. Okay? Therefore, we choose C.